Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2017 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we do get tow hitch receiver, a dual exhaust with your backup camera, nice little roof spoiler. We got some silver and black trim along this vehicle, heated door mirrors, and moving to the front, we got a black hood deflector, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space with tons of hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You got a 12-volt, a light cargo cubby hole, and of course you do get your normal storage below with a spare tire, and you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior with a carpet interior. You got floor mats as well with rear vents and 110-volt outlet adjustable rear seats. Plenty of door space in the back, and you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with a little storage cubby there. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer saying 99,336 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with volume, voice, playback, play forward, phone, with paddle shifters. You got your toggle for your screen, cruise control, and information about the vehicle. We got my key, we do get trip 1 and 2, and your settings. To remember, we got a gear slick, parking brake, storage, cup holders, all that jazz with some outlets. More storage below with upper and lower storage. We got your climate controls here, dual climate up front, heated front seats, auto stop out start, traction, storage below. CD, we got little fave apps for right there. Number keypad, tune, volume, media, radio, phone, menu, sound, hazards, little toggle for your screen here as well, where you can go for different channels. Sync, we got Sirius XM, AM, FM, Bluetooth, all that fun. And shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UA42495A, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.